Hi everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to redeem codes in Bleach Brave Souls so you can get free rewards and items in the game. First, open Bleach Brave Souls on your device and log in to your account. Make sure you're on the main menu screen. Next, look for the Menu or Settings icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen, and tap on it. In the menu, select the Redeem Code or Pack Code option. This will open a text field where you can enter your code. Type or paste the code exactly as provided. Codes are case-sensitive, so double-check for any capital letters or numbers. After entering the code, tap the Submit or Redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message and the rewards will be added to your account immediately. That's it! Keep an eye out for new codes regularly so you don't miss free rewards in Bleach Brave Souls. Enjoy the game and happy playing!